Northern Powerhouse Summit is a real opportunity to bring together people to look at how do we actually create the system that allows people to thrive, and innovation is at the heart of that.
I think in terms of the folks who are here, it's a real opportunity to build an incredible network with the private sector, with startups, with innovators, with local government. This is the moment that we must seize, and it's a real moment in time for the North East.
People who have come along today are from all walks of life. They're from academics, they're from industries, they're from people just straight off the street, and so it's a wonderful collection of different audiences.
The Northern Powerhouse Summit is what it says on the tin. It's about getting people together to discuss business, culture, creativity.
It's a true pleasure to be here in Newcastle as part of the Northern Powerhouse Business Summit, central to the Great Exhibition of the North. Fantastic set of people in the audience, great questions, good interaction, showing the way for prosperity in the future.
I think the event is meant for two kinds of audiences. One, of course, are decision makers, industry leaders, people who are planning to start something new. The other is for the people of the region itself to understand that things are happening here.
So hopefully at the end of the day, and this is going to be an answer that a true person working for Google would give you, it's meant to be for users and consumers and people who can make the most of that kind of innovation to improve their daily lives.